everyone and welcome back. I'm really excited today to introduce my new class, Homeschooling Through High School. As most of you know, I have a high school this year and I will have another one coming up next year, and one of my main concerns was, can I homeschool high school? I did go back and forth between potentially putting them in a kind of charter school type of situation, doing something totally online, homeschooling. We just went through it all, putting them back in public school. Homeschooling through high school can be seem really overwhelming and kind of daunting, and so I'm hoping through this class to encourage you that you can homeschool through high school. I also want to give you some practical tips on what you need to know and do to be able to homeschool through high school. We're going to talk about classes that you need to take, making sure that you're covered for graduation requirements, also making sure that you're keeping prospective college or university requirements in mind, and we'll also talk about record keeping, how to create transcripts, and all of those kinds of things. So I hope you join me for this course. Hopefully it'll be helpful and encouraging for you in your homeschooling through high school journey. I will put all of the information on this course on the link below, so make sure to click that to find out more, and I'll see you in class.